Hey there, Polygon fans! In this Polygon staking tutorial, we're going to learn how to stake Polygon MATIC in a few taps. When you stake MATIC, you help secure the Polygon network and are rewarded with MATIC tokens. If you love earning staking rewards but don't have an Exodus wallet, tap the link in the top right or visit exodus.com to download. For staking MATIC in Exodus, make sure you have MATIC on the Ethereum network. MATIC tokens also live on the Polygon network. However, staking MATIC in Exodus takes place on the Ethereum network. If you don't have any Polygon MATIC on the Ethereum network, you can quickly swap any other crypto for MATIC on Ethereum, or buy MATIC with your local currency directly in Exodus. Staking Polygon MATIC on mobile and in the browser extension is easy. To stake Polygon MATIC, select the Polygon wallet and then select Polygon MATIC on the ETH network. Tap the staking icon to display the staking screen where you can see the current reward rate and your total earnings. Tap Stake MATIC and enter the amount you would like to stake. You need at least one MATIC token to start staking and a bit of Ethereum to cover the staking transaction fee. Please note that staked MATIC is locked and cannot be used to send or swap. Tap the Stake MATIC button, confirm the amount, and tap Stake. Your MATIC will start earning rewards right away. You can claim your MATIC rewards after you've earned at least one MATIC. To claim your MATIC tokens, tap the staking icon in your Polygon Ethereum wallet and select Claim Reward, Claim, and Continue. Your rewards will be deposited into your wallet. MATIC rewards are not automatically added to your staked balance. To earn rewards on your rewards, you'll need to claim and stake them. To unstake your MATIC, tap on the staking icon in your Polygon Ethereum wallet and then select Unstake. Enter the amount you want to unstake and tap the Unstake MATIC button. You will need a small amount of ETH in your wallet to cover the network fee. In 3 to 4 days, your MATIC will be unlocked and available to claim. Thanks for tuning in. We've got a lot more videos for you to learn about crypto and Exodus, so just click any of these to keep watching.